Today I've got the Renogy 1000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter with transfer switch, so in other words with UPS mode, and we're going to go through and have a look at that and unbox it. Now this takes a 12 volt DC input and generates a 230 volt AC output, and so that gives us a standard, in this one it's the Australian outlet, so it gives us a standard 230 volt wall type outlet. So if we whip that out of the box here, it's actually double boxed. Just dump that one out. And so in this one is then our inverter. So on the top we've got our manual, and the manual is for all the models, so 1000, 2000, 3000 watt. Again, this is the 1000 watt that we've got here. We also have some decals for those that want to promote Renogy. We've got our e-warranty card and warranty registration cards, and then in here down the side I've got a power cable. So this is for our transfer switch UPS mode, which basically will plug into the inverter, and in the event that the battery fails it'll switch over to wall power, or vice versa. If wall power fails we'll switch to battery power. Then we've got the inverter itself here. Which is pretty solid. We can see at this end we've got a single AC outlet. Plus over on the side here where our transfer power connects, we've got our fuse reset, remote control, and our power modes, so on, off, or remote. On the flip side here we've got our positive and negative terminals and a couple of fans there. So very solid, feels really nice, looks really nice, and I'm keen to give it a whirl. Continuing here in the box, underneath it, we've got a couple of pretty sturdy terminal cables here for running to our battery or wherever else you want to use them. And then we also have our remote control for the inverter, which we can mount wherever is convenient for us. So there we have it. That is everything that comes in the box with the Renogy 1000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter with transfer switch. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.